Hi, this is Mr. Trio, and today we will be exploring the Central Business District. Where is our Central Business District? Our Central Business District is located on Hong Kong Island in the heart of the city. The Central Business District is one of the most exciting neighborhoods in Hong Kong. It's where we can find our government, international businesses, and also places for people to have fun. Today we're going to explore the many facets of this important community in Hong Kong. This video focuses on 3 questions. How is land used in a central business district? What are low and high order goods? And why is rent so high in a central business district? In our previous unit, we were introduced to the major concepts of land use, which include transport, commercial, institutional, and recreational. All of these can be found in the Central Business District. There is more access to the Central Business District than any other community in Hong Kong. Starting back over 100 years, the city decided to build a tramway, and people today still travel to Central Business District by the tram, or as locals call it, the ding ding. But people also travel to the Central Business District by water. Today's Star Ferry connects Hong Kong Island to Kowloon, and there are also ferries that go to the outlying islands. Many families work in Central Business District, but they live in communities which are miles away. By far, most people travel to Central Business District by using the MTR. There are 2 MTR stops within Central Business District, Central Stop and also the Hong Kong Stop. Millions of people each year use the MTR to go to work or do business or come into the city to have fun. Let's not forget there are also a lot of buses in Hong Kong, double-decker buses, small minibuses, and also private buses. These are used by many people to come to work also. The Central Business District is also the home of many international companies, and this is where Hong Kong gets its famous skyline from. This includes the Bank of China and also the Hong Kong-Shanghai Banking Corporation, better known as HSBC. When we talk about business, that means that we also have to talk about travelers that come to Hong Kong to do business, and international hotels like the Mandarin Oriental and also the Four Seasons are located in the Central Business District. And let's not forget the Hong Kong Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Market, is also located here. There are also many important institutional buildings in the Central Business District, including the Court of Final Appeals, one of the oldest buildings in Hong Kong, and also the Central Post Office. All of these businesses help Hong Kong run. But the Central Business District isn't just about business. It's also a place where people come to have fun. The downtown park along the waterfront is where Hong Kong's newest Ferris wheel is located. And in addition, there are beautiful parks near the Court of Final Appeal where people can come on weekends, relax, and enjoy a little bit of nature. We've already talked about how the Central Business District is a place where a lot of commercial business takes place. And in the Central Business, there are high order goods and low order goods. Now, a good example of a high order good would be something from Louis Vuitton, the international clothing store. But there's also things like Apple, Tiffany, where you can buy the finest diamonds, and also Patek Philippe, the finest watches in the world. These would be considered high order goods. The Central Business District also has low order goods, such as the fruit and vegetable market, on the Star Ferry Pier. There are also places where you can purchase newspapers, a stick of gum, or small items. Low order goods are products which have very little cost. Now we're going to take a look at how much it costs to rent a space in the Central Business District. Now we're going to take a look at 3 properties. One of them is located in Tuen Mun, the second in Cheung Won Sha, and the second in the Central Business District. Now when we look at these 3 properties, the first one in Tuen Mun costs approximately $180,000 a month, while the one that is in Cheung Shan Hua costs a little bit more at $200,000. But if we were to look at a property in the Central Business District that is the same size, it would be 5 times the amount, $1,200,000 to rent. That is how much in demand the properties in Central Business District are. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you more in class. This has been a production of 3 Socks.